Hey guys, welcome to number 3. So slope-intercept form number 3. What we need to do is we need to find the equation of the line through the points -4, -4, and 6, 1, and write it in slope-intercept form. And to do that, we're going to answer the next several questions. So we need to find what the change in y is. And to do that, we need to take our y values. So remember, in our xy coordinate pairs, we got our y values. And we went from -4 to 1. So that was an increase from -4 to 1, or our difference. If we wanted to find our difference, we're going to do our y2 minus y1 equals 5. So delta y is 5. When I go ahead and take a look at our delta x, we have -4 to 6. So our x values changed from -4 to 6. And if I want to write that, I'll do x2, which is 6. Remember, x subscript 2 minus -4 equals 10. So my delta x is 10. Again, we did x2 minus x1, and we did y2 minus y1 up here, just so you guys are aware. So our slope is our delta y over delta x. And so to show that another way, I want you guys to see that when we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that's equal to our delta y over delta x. And in this specific problem, our delta y is 5 and our delta x is 10. Now, you can leave it as 5 over 10, but if we want to write it in an equation and put that in simplest form, simply put, 5 over 10 simplifies to 1/2. So our slope is 1/2. So far I have the equation y equals 1/2 x plus something. Now I know that slope-intercept form is y equals m times x plus b. So what do I know? I know that my slope is 1/2. And I don't know what b is, but I've been given 2 different sets of xy coordinate pairs. If we look up top, I've got an xy coordinate pair. And if we look over here, I also have an xy coordinate pair. So I'm going to pick one of them, and I think that 1's a pretty easy number. So I'm going to pick this guy right here because it looks the easiest. And I'm going to plug in the values. So I'm going to put 1 in for y, and I'm going to put 6 in for x. So I'm going to rewrite my equation now. 1 equals 1/2 times 6 plus b. Now, 1 equals 1/2 of 6 is 3. And I have 3 plus b. So if I subtract 3 from both sides in order to preserve equality, I wind up getting that b is equal to -2. So if b is -2, that means that when x is 0, y is -2. And so I can plug that into my equation. And so instead of having y equals 1/2 x plus -2, I get the equation y equals 1/2 x minus 2. And that's going to be my answer.